Hi guys, let's solve some maths problem. So this is addition, which involves word problems. Let's go. If you've not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video and drop a comment. So let's go. The first one say, Noah ate 26 pieces of candy. Why will Noah eat 26 pieces of candy? Oh my god, that's a lot. But anyway, let's work it out. Noah ate 26 pieces of candy. Then he ate the same amount again. How many pieces of candy did Noah eat? So first, Noah ate 26 pieces. So we'll write it. Then again, which is plus. He ate another 26 pieces. Oh Noah, your stomach would ache. So how many pieces did he eat? What do? We add them together. 6 plus 6 is 12, so 2 and 1. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So Noah ate 52 pieces of candy. Second one say the clowns blew up 57 balloons. The other two clowns blew up 40 more balloons each. How many balloons do the clowns have now? Okay, the clowns blew up 54 balloons. So let's write out 57 balloons. The other two clowns blew up 40 more balloons. So we put down the 40 more balloons and we add them together and see how many they have. So 7 plus 0 is 7. 4 plus 5 is 9. So they have 97 balloons. So this is for number 1, this is for number 2. And then number 3 says, our class borrowed 64 books from the library. Then we borrowed 32 more books from the library. How many books did our class borrow from the library? So we'll pick the first one, 64. Then the next one they borrow will be plus 32. And this will be 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So they borrowed 96 books. And the next one, this is for number 3. Number 4 says, Mr. James ordered 3 suits and his wife ordered 10 suits. What is the total number of suits that we ordered? So Mr. James first ordered 3. The wife ordered again 10. So this would give us 0 plus 3 is 3 and 1. So they ordered 13 suits. Next one, number 5 says, a farmer grows 120 watermelons and 45 apples. How many pieces of fruits did she grow altogether? So the farmer grew 120 watermelons, then again 45 apples. And we join them together, we have 5 plus 0 is 5, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 1. So he has 165 fruits. Number 6 says, Betty picked 45 flowers on Sunday, so 45 first on Sunday, and 51 flowers on Monday, so 51 on Monday, and 20 flowers on Tuesday, so 20 again on Tuesday. How many flowers did she pick altogether? So altogether means addition. And 5 plus 1, 6 plus 0 is still 6. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 2, 11. So it's 116 flowers altogether. Next should be number 7. Let's do that here. Albert scored 92 marks in mathematics class test and 96 marks in science class test. How many marks Albert scored in both the class tests? So how many marks altogether? We add this. 6 plus 2, 8. 9 plus 9, 18. So he scored 188 altogether. So this is how you solve your addition word problems. Okay? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. See you in the next video.